Thrive Life Bakery Classic Cookie Dough Mix. Let's take a closer look. Hello, hello, hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm actually doing a couple of videos back to back. First, we're going to do a closer look at the Thrive Life Bakery Classic Cookie Dough Mix. So, let's do this and take a closer look. First, I'm going to show you the back. This is the ingredients list. A viewer asked me to get a close-up so that my husband can pause the video and you can take a look at them. There we go. Ingredients list. Alright. Ooh, I'll also give you another look at this here. This is the Classic Cookie Dough Mix preparation instructions. If you go to thrivelife.com/bakery, you can get more recipes on what to do with this. I'm already today at this moment we're going to take a closer look. In the other video I'm going to be filming in a few minutes, instead of doing the classic cookie dough or chocolate chip, I'm going to be doing it with caramel chips instead of chocolate chips. So that'll be another variation. Alright guys, let's take a closer look. Oh, this is my favorite part of Thrive Life. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, you can see all the different things right in it. Ooh, where is that? Come up here. There it is. Get the oxygen absorber out. Let's take a closer look at it, you guys. Alright. I don't know if you can see the sparkling, but there's the sugar. I can see the butter in there, but I don't know if it's gonna give you, I mean, I know you can see the sugar sparkling, but there's a slight difference between the color of the flour, the color of the, is that butter that I'm seeing in there? Eggs, that's what I'm seeing in there. Okay, you can see the slight difference in color between the egg and the flour from out here. I don't know if you can see it through the camera lens though. Now, I'm really excited to give this a try. Like I was saying, it's got many different recipes here. It's got recipes for oatmeal cookies, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, cookie bars, raisin cookies, classic cookie dough mix, which is chocolate chips and nuts. And then here's my favorite part. I gotta show you this. My absolute favorite part. 3 dozen cookies. It makes 3 dozen cookies. Alright guys, thanks for coming along to take a closer look at the classic cookie dough mix. And this cookie dough mix, you can turn it's a base, and you can turn it into any number of things you want. Alright guys, thanks for coming along for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below letting me know what other kinds of things you'd like to take a closer look at. I have a big box of Thrive Life coming with, I believe altogether I had a dozen different new items for me to do closer looks on. because I've been getting comments of people asking me to do closer looks at certain things. So that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember everyone, stay positive. Bye.